So, good day everyone. My name is Embran Ayub and my topic in community are philosophy of community organizing, models of community organizing, and also the other reference is about network and community network. So, let's start with the philosophy of community organizing. So when we say philosophy of community organizing, it's just really about trusting the people in the community. It means that we are believing in them that they have the right to decide what they want for themselves. Ibig sabihin, ano yung gusto nila sa community na yon. And rather than yung mga idea na outside sa community na yon, like yung mga people outside that community, they're forcing the ideas onto them. And also, itong philosophy ng mga community organizer is that they trust every community is meron silang mga talents, strength, and mga resources that when we guide them properly, it could help them live a better life. So, in community organizing daw is meron siyang important values like respect, of course. In every community, there is a respect for every person. And we also have responsibility to help one another. And also fairness. And itong mga values na to, it just reminds us that everyone sa community na yon, they deserve to be heard, included, and treated with dignity. So, ang mga principle na ito, they just guide us how organizing should be done. So first, there must be trust in the people. Meaning, dapat meron tayong tiwala sa mga tao. Because ang tunay na pagbabago is nagsisimula sa kanila. And also, they need to actively be involved. Since yung participation nila ang susi or key to empowerment. And yung mga organizer, hindi lang sila mga sila yung mga boss, but nandun sila simply to guide and support. And it is also important na hindi sila magbigay ng mga false promises. Like, binibigyan nila yung community ng malaking expectation. And ang community organizing, hindi siya yung final goal. It is only a tool to help build more humane or democratic society, yun siya. And ang community organizing is they are always prioritizing yung mga mahihirap at ano yung mga pangangailangan ng community. Starts with the community's real needs and pati yung mga abilities na meron ang community to ensure na ano man yung actions kung ano man yung mga action na na-take as long as it could benefit the majority. Okay, so that's the philosophy of community organizing. It's all about just trusting the community that we should always respect them, their decision, rather than forcing ourselves to give idea to them. That's just this simple way to explain the philosophy of community organizing. Then the next is the 3 models of community organizing. So meron tayong tatlo dyan, which is the locality development, social planning, and social action. So itong tatlo na to are different ways of helping communities. So these 3 models, they create positive changes. So in locality development, ang idea dito is ang whole community should be involved. That everyone works together. Pinag-uusapan ng problema nila, talks about their problem, and decide as a group what needs to be done. And yung mga organizer, they act more like a guide, a helper who encourage teamwork and cooperation sa isang community. Then the next model is social planning. So in social planning, the process relies more on experts or trained professionals. Ibig sabihin, dito, kailangan na ng mga outsider or yung mga may mga experience na mga tao. Hindi lang yung community ang nandito. So, mga planners na to o yung mga experts, mga trained professionals is pinag-studyan nila yung mga problems, nag-gather sila ng information, and they design programs or solutions. So, ang model na to is usually used sa mga bigger or more complex situation. Like yung may mga where mga technical knowledge is important. Like, kailangan may knowledge talaga yung tao na nag-organize sa isang community. So, tulad ng mga city planning and yung mga public health programs. So, yung nasa community, they could also be involved, but yung mga experts ang nagtitake ng lead. Then, for the third model is social action. It's more about fighting for justice daw dito. So, it focuses on helping disadvantaged or oppressed groups to stand for their rights and challenge unfair system. So, parang, let's just say, itong models of community organizing, para din siyang micro, meson, macro, yung level niya. Dito sa social action is parang nakafocus siya sa macro, which is about sa mga institution, agency, mga policy, ganun, guide. Then, instead daw na we are working with a power structure, this model daw, they push for a change by pressuring those in authority to address inequalities. So it's more about empowering people to demand fair treatment and better resource. So even though itong tatlong model is na-describe siya separately, yung communities is they often use mix of them. Sometimes they work together as a group, sometimes they rely on experts, and sometimes they need to speak out and fight for what is right. So that's the idea of the three models of community organizing. So that's for my part here, and also the next part is going to be about the network and community network, which is a very short explanation lang. So guys, next is the network and the community network. So very simple lang naman to. When we say network, it is the communication between groups of sharing of information, contacts, and other resources is networking. So, ibig sabihin, ano man yung mga information na binibigyan natin sa ibang tao is tinatawag na networking. So, it based on human contact between individuals and groups. So, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko na ano man yung mga binibigay natin ng mga information sa other people, we could consider it as network. Then, for the next one is about community network. Just the same idea lang siya. So, community network, it consists of a set of people whom are linked together. Whom are linked together. Ibig sabihin, parang, let's just say, hindi naman sa magkakilala sila, pero like may connections sila sa people. But not all of whom know one another. Yun yung sinasabi ko na even though may community network, they are linked together, but not all of them know each other. So they can be used as foundation of community improvement. Ibig sabihin, itong community network, pwede itong maging foundation para magkaroon ng community development sa isang community. So, that's the whole idea ng network at community network. And that's all for my part po. Thank you po.